YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, it's going to be an aesthetic makeup tutorial inspired by IG filters, and I know that many of you want an IG filter, real life filter on your face guys. So this is one of my top picks from Miss Leticia Velasco. Kilalang kilala niyo na siya guys. I think she's one of the queen of aesthetic makeups and everything. So without any further ado, let's start this video.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on the way, as long as I'm safely in your arms.
So after the moisturizer guys, maglalagay naman ako ng face mist, and I will be using the St. Ives face mist in grapefruit scent. So yeah.
Cause
okay guys, so after the moisturizer, face mist, and the primer, let's do the foundation. And I will be using this Btla liquid foundation and the shade of Silk.
you already knew though, I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why are you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad.
So after the foundation guys, as usual, maglagay tayo ng concealer, and I will be using my BYS concealer guys on the shade of medium. So maglalagay lang ako dito sa my under eye and some highlights of my face guys.
Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on the way, as long as I'm safely in your arms. And it don't really matter where we stay, cause space makes me sad.
So I will be using this Btla Sculpt and Stick to contour my face guys.
Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though, I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why are you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly.
So I will be using this Pretty Secret Lip and Cheek Soft Glow Tint as promised. So nakita niyo ito sa may Watson Sol ko. So gagamitin ko na siya ngayon for my makeup tutorial guys. So it's in the shade pala of Warm Blush. And ganito yung kulay niya. Ayan. So ito yung gagamitin kong pang blush ngayon.
Looking from your telescope, take me on this journey.
Alright, so the next one is we are ready to bake. Kasi nailagay na natin lahat ng mga products na creams at katulad ng mga foundation and cream blush, diba? So, hindi muna tayo pwede maglagay ng powder kapag gumagamit tayo ng mga cream-based products sa ating face. To bake my face using this Btla loose powder, which is my favorite, diba? So, ayan, let's set the foundation on the face. Okay guys, so at this point in the video, I will do a voiceover, and after baking my face, I will now start with my brows, and I will use this Face Shop Auto Eyebrow Liner for my brows, and ibabrush ko lang siya para maayos before I line it. Okay, so after brushing my brows, next I will be using my Jessie eyebrow pencil just to fill in my brows.
You already knew though, I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? 'Cause space makes me sad.
Using my spoolie, I will just blend it out, the edges, just to create clean lines on my eyebrows, and again, blend it out slowly and evenly para mas makuha mo talaga yung pagka-define ng eyebrows mo. So the first thing that I'm going to do with my brows is I will be using this Eyebrow Mascara from Maybelline with their collaboration with Chris Aquino. So this is her product, which is the Eyebrow Duo.
Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. 'Cause space makes me sad.
Using this Btla-Concealer, I will use this to prime my eyelids, and I'm just gonna use my fingers to blend it. And the reason why I'm putting concealer on my eyelids is to prevent crease when I put eyeshadow on later.
Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind.
Okay, so after blending the concealer, we are now ready for eyeshadow, and I will use my favorite eyeshadow, which is the Kimuse eyeshadow palette, and my brush, and I will just put this shade first as my transition color.
Hopelessly, why aren't you home with me? 'Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Looking from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay, 'cause babe.
So here I will just use the concealer to make a cut crease, and this is not a perfect cut crease because I don't usually do cut creases on my eyeshadow look, but in here I did attempt to make one, and hindi talaga siya ganun ka-perfect, guys.
Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding.
So after putting on the concealer and medyo meron na tayong cut crease look, now I will use this yellow eyeshadow to put it, and for the rest of my eyeshadow look, guys, for eyeshadow process, just keep on watching.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating all the way, as long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay, 'cause space makes me sad, 'cause space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? 'Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad.
Using the same shade of the eyeshadow, I will use this as a blush para mag-pop up lang talaga yung cheeks natin, guys.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating.
So my look is almost done, but we still don't have the tasty freckles, so this is next, so let's go.
Space makes me sad, 'cause space makes me sad. just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? 'Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. I just can't get over.
There you have it, guys, my aesthetic makeup look inspired by IG filter, and I hope that you like this video and you can share it to your friends and be inspired to create your own aesthetic makeup look. And by the way, guys, before anything else, I just want to give a shout out to Irish Hosan, Wendell Estacio, Edmark Sarmiento, and Guapo Palishok, friends of Aubrey Habugero. Hello everyone, and to Angel Joy, and especially to The Real Smith, to Ate Judy, Kuya Matt, Archer, and Ching Ching, and don't forget to subscribe on their YouTube channel. So here we go. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe and always hit the notification bell para lagi kang ma-notify sa aking mga future uploads. And let's be friends on my other social media accounts. I'm Lezaliana21 on Instagram and the J Diaries on Facebook page. Again, this is J Diaries. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!
The old song. The old song.